So this ID, yeah, why do I show it? Because it's really important. So each file in NCBI databases will have an accession number. Yeah, so something that looks like this. But these accession numbers are not always unique. Depends from database to database, but they're not always unique. So internally, each file in NCBI databases will have another identifier that is guaranteed to be unique, and that's what you see here. So if you want to fetch more information for a certain file, you always do that using this unique ID. So this is how you can get it. So the ID that belongs to this accession number is this one. We will come back on that. And once you know the ID, you can fetch all kinds of information for this file in NCBI. For instance, basically what we have done here, I'm going to show it, is the equivalent from what you would do here. And you get a file back. So all these NCBI databases are linked to each other. Yeah. Sometimes it can be really helpful to see this file, to which other files does it link inside NCBI. If you want to see all the files that are linked to this one, you can use this function. Again, you have to tell him, yeah, that you want to search links for the file with this ID from the SRA database, and you want to search for links in all the other databases. That's what you do here. Here we are. This again gives a list, a lot of lists. And then you can see by accessing here the links object in the list for which other databases in NCBI you have links. So you have links in the bioproject database, in the biosample database, in the taxonomy database. All these links make sense when you work in the SRA database. If you then want to find the ID of one of these links, of the file that is behind one of these links, you simply have to ask for it. So this links thing is a list on its own with different objects. So if I want to see the ID of the linked file in the biosample database, I ask for that specific object. And now I have the ID there, and now I can fetch more information from the biosample database if I want to.